The Department of Information Technology was established in the year of 2002. The department is recognized as Permanent Affiliation Department by Anna University Chennai and accredited by NBA. Our department practices to organize various technical events throughout the academic year. We have organized national level seminars, workshops and guest lectures on blockchain technologies, machine learning tools in data mining, robotics process information, Internet of Things, artificial intelligence, and a guest lecture in guidelines for higher education and placements.
Hi, this is Ramya Bharati of 3rd year IT studying in Hindustan College of Engineering and Technology. I am so glad and proud to be a part of this college. We have a great environment and a pleasant ambience to study here. We are blessed with the faculty members present here. They are so kind, they help us anytime. The way of interacting is so different. They are friendly with us. They work a lot than they need to. Apart from the academics, the placement cell, the placement team is the best here to maintain an effective record. We get an intensive training program which is worth it in the pre-final year itself. We have rigorous training programs twice a week, verbal, technical content and aptitude tests. The training that extends the assessment is based upon the students of which batch they are segregated. Each batch undergoes the training program twice a week. And the interesting topic is here. The most top-notch company those recruiters are CTS, TCS, L&T, Infosys, Capgemini, etc. with a very good salary package. Actually, the recruiting helps over the 6th semester and during the 7th semester. The eligible candidates can get placed here. Eligible candidates in the sense they can even have dual placements. You know what? Our seniors got placed with a very good salary package which is up to 4 to 6 lakhs per annum, and few candidates also had dual placements.
Apart from academics, club activities of our department are accompanied by the students. Programming club, which enhances the students to enrich their knowledge in programming skills and coding practices. In addition to this, our students are practicing coding practices through a tool named Skill Rack, which facilitates the students to sit ready for coding projects in their companies. Students from our department are rigorously participating in various inter-college competitions like technical symposium, conference, various hackathon coding contest programs and won prizes. In Smart India Hackathon, our department second year students got selected for final round contest and it's going to be held in future. Apart from that, our department has conducted more school events too. The department has well-equipped computing laboratories and a rich repository of software covering a wide spectrum of applications. The department continuously strives to improve its academic quality through outcome-based education with a dedicated faculty and staff team.
Hi, I'm Pratna from Bangalore. I'm doing my BTech in Information Technology from Hindustan College of Engineering and Technology. Education is the passport to the future. Likewise, our college played a major role in preparing ourselves to meet the future industrial demands by sharpening our technical skills. Our faculties are very well trained, experienced and qualified. Our college has a very good infrastructure and facilities which gave us a very good environment to study and upskill ourselves. Our placement cell trained us very well in order to meet the industrial demands, due to which many of us got placed into very good MNCs. Thank you.
Exceptional talents are shown by third year and second year students in Sepak Takraw, volleyball, cricket and yoga competition. Our students has shown their talent in volleyball by winning in all participated tournaments in and around our zone, and also has their excellency in national level yoga competition and won prizes. As a part of education and social service, our department is actively involving in NSS and NCC camps and doing services for the society. They organized a camp in a small village nearby our college and did social service and helped the needy people through NSS. The department is progressing with a vision and a strong commitment in developing competent programmers with uncompromising standard of excellence in classroom sessions and hands-on sessions in academic courses. The department has reached its excellent milestone.
Hi friends, I am Vignesh, currently pursuing BTech IT in Hindustan College of Engineering and Technology. So IT, a field with a lot of job opportunities. The key question is how to get one of those jobs. This is where our college comes in. Our department provides us with an well-skilled and experienced faculties. Our department labs helps to learn practical knowledge as well as new trends in IT like IoT. Our college also provides us with a well-equipped placement training center which helps to learn and build our soft skills as well as our aptitude skills. They also provide us with online platforms which helps to crack national level qualified tests. I myself got placed in TCS and Infosys and currently undergoing training under TCS Explore program. Thank you.
Milestone in academics, placement, sports, and in NSS and NCC.